Welcome to my channel where I explore the fascinating world of home decoration. As you know, everything has its own history. Similarly, home decoration has also a history. That's why I am starting a new video series on the history of home decoration from today. And in this video series I will talk about the history of home decoration in detail. When we think about home decoration, we often picture beautiful homes filled with furniture, decorations, and personal touches. But have you ever wondered what home decoration looked like thousands of years ago? Let's take a look at cave dwellers during prehistoric times. Cave dwellers lived in natural caves or structures made of stones, animal hides, and bones. They did not have access to modern tools or materials, so they had to make do with what they had. One of the most important part of the prehistoric home decoration was the fire pit. Fires provided warmth, light, and a place to cook food. Another important aspect of prehistoric home decoration was the use of animal hides on the ground. These hides provided insulation and a soft place to sit or sleep. Cave dwellers would decorate the hides with paints made from natural material like berries, plants, and clay. Cave dwellers also used animal bones to create tools and decorations. They would hang these bones tools on the wall or display them on shelves. Perhaps the most famous example of prehistoric home decoration is cave paintings. These paintings, made using natural pigments, depict animal, humans, and other objects. Cave dwellers would create these paintings on the walls of their caves using the natural contours of the cave to enhance the artwork. While prehistoric home decoration was much simpler than what we have today, cave dwellers still found ways to add beauty and personality to their homes. Through the use of fire pits, animal hides, bone tools, and cave paintings, they create a unique and fascinating style that still captures our imaginations today. This was the first one about home decor history. We will meet in next one with new era of decoration. Thanks, Allah Hafiz.